Body students, today I am going to discuss some physics questions and related to numericals. The first question is, for a heater rated at 4 kW, that is kilowatt, and 220 V, that is volt, calculate the current and the resistance of the heater. Solution is, here power equals to P, that is equals to 4 kW, that is 4 kilowatts, that is equals to 4 into 1000 watt, that is equals to 4000 watt, because you know that 1 kilowatt is equals to 1000 watt. Yeah, that is equals to 4000 watts. And voltage equals to V, that is equals to 220 volts. And since you know that P equals to V into I, therefore I equals to P by V, that means current equals to power by voltage, and that is equals to 4000 by 220 amperes. Here 0 cancelled, and 11 to the 22 and 200 to the 400, so it is coming 200 by 11, that is equals to 18.18 amperes. Now from Ohm's law equation we know that V by I equals to R, that is R equals to V by I, that's equals to 220 divided by 200 by 11, because I we have got here 200 by 11, and then this becomes 220 into 11 by 200, 0 cancel, and then 11 to the 20 to 10 to the 20, so 11 into 11 by 10, and that is equals to 121 by 10 equals to 12.1 ohms. This is the answer. Now second question is, calculate the energy transferred by a 5 ampere current flowing through a resistor of 2 ohms for 30 minutes. The solution is, here current is equals to I, that is equals to 5 amperes, and resistance equals to R, that is equals to 2 ohms. This was given, and since power is equals to current square into resistance, that is P equals to I square into R, and that is equals to 5 square into 2. So 5 square means 25 into 2 is 50 watts. And this 50 watts is converted into kilowatts by dividing 1000. So here 0 cancel, and that is equals to 0.05 kilowatt. Here small k we will write, and W will be capital. So this is kilowatt. Time is equals to 2, that is equals to 30 minutes. So this we have to convert into hour by dividing 60. So we get here 0.5 hours. And now energy equals to power into time. That is E equals to P into T. Here P we have got 0.05 into 0.5, and if you multiply you get 0.025 kWh. Here K will be in small letter, W in capital letter, H in small letter, that is kilowatt hours. So our answer is energy equals to consumed equals to 0.025 kilowatt hours. This is the answer. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.